Kia ora koutou, ko rāpata wiri tēnei. Mānawa tia a Matariki. Soon we will be celebrating Matariki in 2 days' time. And one of the stars of the Matariki constellation is Pōhutukawa. And that's the tree that's right behind me here. Hea te tikanga o te rā whetū o Pōhutukawa? What is the main tikanga of that particular star o Pōhutukawa? He hoki ngā mahara ki ngā mate. That particular star reminds us of those who have passed on. So with that in mind, I'm wishing you all a happy Matariki. Remember those of our loved ones who have passed on and gone off to Hawaii Nui, Hawaii Roa, Hawaii Pāmamao. Big Hawaii to long Hawaii to distant Hawaii. We say in Māori, Mauri tū, Mauri ora. A living life force is an active life force.